Nilight 9007 LED headlight bulbs, 350% brighter, 10,000 LMHB5 LED high-low beam. Headlight conversion kit, 6000K cool white, mini size, 2-pack 350% brighter than halogens, equipped with high luminous efficacy CSP chips and 6000K cool white 9007 LED headlight bulb. Provides further and wider visibility for you to see the deer, wild animals, falling rocks, or obstacles in advance to ensure safer driving at night. Deal beam pattern. Nilight 9007 LED headlight bulb, high and low, enhances super-focused beam pattern for optimal light shape and clearer visibility. No dark spots or shadow areas, no blinding or glare to oncoming drivers, avoiding scattered light problem to ensure safety. 50,000 hours lifespan, 65% energy saving, brighter light output with much less power consumption. Thanks to premium aviation, aluminum heat sink with optimized 10,000 revolutions per minute silent turbo cooling fan, 9007 LED efficiently speeds up heat dissipation to ensure superior performance. Lifespan up to 50,000 hours.